find the area bounded by y is equal to cos x, comma x is equal to minus pi by 2, comma x is equal to 2 pi, and x axis. So this is the question. So to solve this question, so first we will draw the graph of y is equal to sin x. So this y axis and this one is x axis. We will draw the graph of y is equal to sin x from from minus pi by 2 to 2 pi, because the limits are from minus pi by 2 to 2 pi. So this is minus pi by 2, this one is 0, this is x axis, and this one is y axis. So 0, this is pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 2, this one is 2 pi. So we'll draw the graph of cos. So cos minus pi by 2 is 0, therefore cos 0 is 1, so this is 1. Next cos 90 0, again cos 3 pi by 2 0. Next yes, cos 2 pi is 1 again. So this is the graph of cos x from 0 to minus pi by 2 to 2 pi. So now the question is, we need to find the area bounded by y is equal to cos x in between the limits x is equal to minus pi by 2 and x is equal to 2 pi. So here the limits are x equal to minus pi by 2 and x is equals to 2 pi. These are the limits. So our required area is equals to the shaded region, that is this area and this area and this one. So the shaded area is our requirement. So now, because the area bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x and x is equal to minus pi by 2 and x equal to pi and the x axis, so this is the shaded region. So to find this area in between, if you observe the limits from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, the cos is above the x axis only, that is cos x is positive from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi also cos x is positive, but from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos is negative. So that's why, so here cos x is greater than 0 for x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 union 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, and cos x is negative for x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So that's why we need to break the limits. So now the required area is equal to, therefore the required area is equals to from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so cos x is positive, therefore just this cos x dx only, and from, because cos x is positive, so from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x is negative, but we need the area, not definite integration, so that's why here you put modulus. Yes or no? To find this area you put modulus here. So this is equals to mod of, so there's a mod of integration of pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x dx plus again from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, again cos is positive, that's why you need not to put any modulus. Therefore the area is from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, just cos x dx. Now we calculate this one. This is equals to integration of cos x is sin x. Here limits are from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, plus mod integration of cos x is sin x from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, plus integration of cos x is sin x, limits are from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. So this is equals to, this is sin pi by 2, if you put upper limit, sin pi by 2 minus of sin of minus pi by 2. This is the first integral. Next second one is sin 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2, plus this is sin 2 pi minus sin 3 pi by 2. So here sin 90, the sin 90 is 1, here sin minus theta is minus sin theta, plus sin 90 again 1, plus sin 3 pi by 2. So plus sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, minus sin 90 is 1, plus again sin 2 pi is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So this is equals to 2 here mod of minus 2 plus minus minus plus 1, this is. So this is equals to 2 plus mod of minus 2 is 2 only, plus 1. Therefore answer is 5 square units. So this is the required area. Yes or no? Here this step is important ikkada. Yes or no? Here ఒకటి ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడేమో ఏరియా పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ మాడ్యులస్ పెట్టలేదు అనుకోండి, మీరు ఇక్కడ బిలో ది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ఉంది గ్రాఫ్, మాడ్యులస్ పెట్టకపోతే వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, దిస్ -2 అనేది వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మాడ్యులస్ పెట్టకపోతే -2 ఈ +2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి 1 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్ అని వస్తుంది. అది ఏరియా కాదు, అది డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వాల్యూ. ఎందుకు, ఇక్కడ ఈ ఏరియా సమానంగా ఉంటుంది, ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుంది, ఈ ఏరియా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, యాక్చువల్లీ డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఇదంతా 2 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ వచ్చింది, ఇది -2, ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, ఒక ఈ ఏరియా మాత్రమే వస్తుంది. సార్ అది డెఫినెట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అంటారు. ఏరియా అంటే దీన్ని మనం పాజిటివ్గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకొని తీసుకోవాలి. దట్స్ వై ఐ కెప్ట్ మాడ్యులస్.